You will learn how to draw and create board shapes, as well as position the origin marker. First, let's create a circular board shape. Ensure the board outline is the active layer. Select Place, then Arc, and select Full Circle. Left-click anywhere near the middle of the existing PCB shape. Move the mouse either towards or away to enlarge the circle. The head-up display shows the radius of the circle. The next left-click will complete the placement and set the size of the circle. For further changes, you may select the circle and change its radius value at the Properties panel, if needed. Click the right mouse button to terminate the command. The circle should be highlighted indicating that it's selected. If it is not, left-click on the circle or press Ctrl-A to select it. To create the board shape, we can go to the Design menu, and within Board Shape, we can select Define from Selected Objects. The black area, which is the printed circuit board, is now limited to the circle. Next, let's position the origin marker. That is the 0, 0 coordinate. To do this, let's select the Edit menu, followed by Origin, and select Set. With a crosshair attached to our cursor, move the cursor to the center of the PCB. You will notice the snap point appear in the center of the cursor. Left-click at the center of the circle to place the origin marker. Now we've set the origin of the PCB in the center of the circle. We have explored how to draw board shapes and change the origin marker with the PCB environment.